my name is Ashlee Balcerzak, and I'm currently studying abroad in the lovely country of Panama at Barro, Colorado Island, which is part of the Neotropical Research Institute. So part of our study abroad trip was to do a group project. So my group decided to do an optimal foraging model. Optimal foraging is how an organism is going to feed on food, so we decided to do mango trees and different bird species. And we were able to look at them, whether they were close to the forest edge or farther away from the forest edge. And we were really prompted to do this because we all have had experience with a previous study in ecology courses studying behavioral ecology. We really wanted to understand the difference between, what's the difference between like a bird foraging and then like a squirrel foraging, which we have previously studied. And I really wanted to enhance my knowledge and understanding of different interactions in the animal world, specifically with birds in like a tropical setting. So what we actually did for our study, we had a total of 4 trees that we observed. And at those 4 trees, we had 3 trials of data, and we were able to collect and observe what trees were being, or what birds were foraging at each of the trees. And we had somebody stand in the middle of the tree, far away from the tree, and then kind of like an in-between. And then from there, we were able to see, was the bird actually consuming food? Was it not consuming food? And then, what was the interaction at the mango tree in relation to the forest edge? So, our main question was, does the forest edge, does that really influence the foraging behavior? So to answer that, in our results, our data showed that, there is not really a difference between whether the forest is close to the tree or far away from the tree. We found that there was not really any significance between those. That could be based on maybe the time of day that we were going out, or even the what we were observing. So maybe more future research would be really helpful to understand what's going on. And the most thing I found interesting was out of the 4 bird species that we observed most often, there was one that was called the red-breasted blackbird, which is actually not consuming fruit at all. It was just kind of hanging out of the tree, and we're not really sure why. So out of the 4 that we had, that was the only one that was not eating the fruit. So I was really wondering, why is that happening? Why is this bird not eating the fruit? Shouldn't they be eating the fruit too? And so I think future research with that would be really interesting to tell, do different birds follow this optimal foraging? Are they going to be consuming food at the trees, or are they not? What's going to be happening? So that would be great to see in the future, and thank you so much for listening.